Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Channel. I'm Alice. In this video, I'd like to share my completed notebook. This is my traveler's notebook, cahier size, which is a little bit wider than the standard size. The cover is fabric. I made it. My mom finally found time to teach me how to make a cover like this. This was my first try, so it's very imperfect, like here. But I'm happy that I made this. So this is the notebook that I want to share today. I shared one journaling process in this notebook last month on my channel. So this is the inside the cover. This journaling card explains what this notebook is. Pages filled with memories, stories, and happiness. I love it. The first page is narrow page. I made a tuck spot with my vintage hankie. It has this beautiful embroidered flower. And I made two big tags. Here's the little phrase. This page has a small tag and a ticket. In this pocket, this came with a letter set that I bought in Japan. It explains how to write a letter. I stapled this, more love, less worry. This is the page that I share the process. This page has quite vivid colors. I did stencil on grid paper and used it as a background. And this is a ticket, a tab made with a plastic package. This is a brush pen package and it unfolds out. A staple business card here, a ticket, and this is another one of my vintage hankie printable. This is the middle page. It has movie tickets. In the pocket, it has receipts and boarding pass. I glued a beautiful postcard at the top and added this cute bunny journaling card at the bottom. I stenciled, ripped the paper, and made a pocket. And I made a tab, again with a package. This is a boarding pass and a note I got, a floral, a banner here. I got a gift box and made this big pocket and added a little place to journal about it. Again, this background is stencil. In this little pocket, I included two journaling cards that matches the color. This page has lots of writing. I made a pocket here with a journaling card. This page has a big hanging tag. In the pocket, there's a little card. I punched a border and a tag in this little tuck spot. This is the last page. I glued a little ephemera and a label. This wreath is a stamped image that I made in one of my haul videos. And some movie tickets here too. So it is done like this. I think I used it more like a glue book. And I'm really happy with it. I hope you enjoy this flip through video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!